Are you planning to cross to the Tijuana Airport through CBX? Great! Just a heads up. Unless you're a Mexican national, you'll need to fill out a multiple immigration form, better known as FMM, when you enter Mexico. You can fill out the form in the terminal, but to make things even easier, you can do it online before arriving at CBX. Just follow these simple steps. Visit this link to access the online form. First, select By Land and make sure to accept the terms and conditions to continue. Next, under the Entry Information section, choose Conexión Peatonal Aeroportuario Tijuana San Diego as your point of entry. Don't forget to enter your date of arrival and departure as well. It's time to provide more information. Remember that every field is required. Once you've completed the form, save it and visit the link provided to proceed with payment. After you've made your payment, print both the form and the payment receipt. Ready, you're all set. Just keep your filled out form and payment receipt with you when you're crossing the border. And one last thing, to save time and avoid any delays, we highly recommend having your form ready before using CBX. You're now ready for your trip. See you soon at CBX.